Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tammy, and you're watching Crafting with Tammy. Today we are going to be making some magnets. We have some, I ordered these off of Amazon, and I'm going to put a link, start putting a link in the description to my Amazon list, shopping list, so you guys will have access to a lot of the things that I tell you that I purchased off of Amazon. These are the magnets. They're 3x3, and today we're going to be making 3. We're going to sublimate on them. These are sublimation blank magnets. Make sure they have to be sublimation items on there. But we're going to make those, keeping that theme going on Black History Month. And so without further ado, come on, let's get started. Okay, guys, so we're going to use Canva today. I'm already logged in, and we're going to make our little templates here so that we can go ahead and print it out with the sublimation printer. So we're going to go in here and create design, and I've gone on ahead already and measured the design. So we're going to do custom size. Make sure you change that to inches. And these magnets are 3x3. And then you just hit create new design. And so this is going to be, it looks huge, but it will be a 3x3. This is our canvas that we're going to use to create the design. So what I did was I did a couple, nothing fancy. I just did a couple of screenshots of some pictures that I liked and kind of cropped them and uploaded them to my computer. So we're going to go ahead here to uploads, and we're going to go ahead and import those files, or should I say those pictures, and they're in my craft folder. And I wanted to do this one. And while that's uploading, let's go to the next one. We'll do that one. And we'll do one more. We're going to do 3 today. I like that. Harriet Tubman, we're out. Okay. And so here we have them uploaded. And so we're going to just insert one at a time. And then we're just going to bring that image, you know what, I'm just going to hit set image as background. No, that's not going to work because it cut off future. So let me detach from background and just go on ahead and size it out. And remember, we have the whole area, the 3x3, and that was giving it a little bit of, honestly, folks, was giving it a little bit of extra. You know me, I like the little hangover, so I don't see any white corners when I go ahead and sublimate. Okay, so that's going to be one. So we're done with that one. Then we're going to hit add a page. And so let's put the sunflower one in here. And let's see what happens when I set that as background image. Oh, it cuts off some of the letters over there. So you're not going to be able to do that. We're just going to have to go ahead and take our time and size it out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this one because what's going to happen is it's going to cut. I don't want it to cut CJ Walker, Madam CJ. There's no Walker over there. I don't think so. No, it's just Madam CJ. Okay, so let's go up. And then let's go down. But we're going to have to move this a little bit so that we can get... let's bring this down and bring this in. I don't... And it's going to cut off my flower over there. Let's bring it back down a little bit. let's undo it. Let's get rid of it, okay? Let's bring it in again. And then I want this to go to this side. And I want this to go to that side without cutting it off. So we're good. So now if I bring this up, we should be good. And I bring this down, is it gonna cut it? And we might have to lose just a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna lose Madam C.J. Walker over there. So this one might not work. So guys, we might just be doing 2 today. So let me go ahead and delete that and then go back here and add a page. And let's try this one. I don't know how this is gonna work either because of the shape. Being that this is, you know, a perfect square here. This one just says, "We're out, Harriet Tubman." So if I go all the way up and I go all the way down, is this going to... I don't like that one either, guys. I don't like how that's working out on that one either. Okay, so let me pause and find 2 other designs that will fit in this square shape good, and we'll be back. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, we are back, and I found 2 other images that I really liked. This cute little lady here, little girl, it says Black History, and I just put her on a orange background to her. And then also I found these without Black inventors, we wouldn't have these. And then it tells you the product, the inventor, and the date that they invented it. And these are African Americans who invented things such as the elevator, the fire extinguisher, the stethoscope, the light bulb, the ironing board, the mailbox, a pencil sharpener, traffic lights, blood plasma bags, and air conditioning units. So I thought that was really interesting. So we're going to go ahead and save these, and then we're going to download them and print them on the sublimation printer and go ahead and sublimate them. So I'll meet you at the table after I go ahead and print this out and save it. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we've got these printed out and we've got them cut out, and what we're going to do is apply them to the magnets, and then we have these little sheets. They're sticky, very sticky on here, and they'll be applied after we sublimate to the back to make it a magnet. So remember, when we get our sublimation blanks, 9 times out of 10 they're going to have that little plastic coating on there. So you're going to want to go ahead and remove that. Make life much easier for you. After we remove those, we're going to go ahead and take a little cloth, and we're just going to spray a little rubbing alcohol on there, and we're just going to wipe down the blank. Should be pretty much clean because we just took the plastic covering off, but just in case there's anything, residue or anything else left from the factory on there, we'll just go ahead and clean those and wipe it off. Okay, and so now we're going to take some heat transfer tape, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply these images. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the image and have it face up, and then turn the magnet over, the top of the magnet over face down to make sure that I have all areas covered on here. We don't want anything showing. And then I'm just going to take a piece of heat tape and just attach that on both ends to hold it in place. Okay, and we're going to continue to do this for all 3 of the magnets. And we just want to make sure everything is covered, and we have a border so we don't have any, I don't want any white lines showing on this. So we're going to go ahead and just continue with that. And we'll handle the last one. And so while I put this tape and center this last one on here, guys, I do have my heat press heating up to about 395, and I'm gonna sub these for about 40 seconds. So stay tuned and meet me over at the heat press. Okay guys, so we are at the heat press. For me, I always protect my heat press. I put a piece of copy paper down there, and that's just in case we have the bleed. And I'm gonna put those 3 images down there. And let me get another piece of copy paper. Put that on top. We're gonna put the Teflon sheet on there. And then we're gonna let this press for about 35 seconds. And then we're gonna take it on over to the table and show you the reveal. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we are back, and we are gonna go ahead and do our reveal, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the sticky backs, magnetic backs, onto these blanks here. Okay, so there's the first one. Came out very nice. Here we go, our little young lady. Very nice, very nice. And then the last one we have here is going to be our black inventors. Very nice, very pleased how those came out. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, they come in the packs with the backs, with the magnets, the wood blocks, and you're just gonna place that magnetic piece on there, and then that'll be able to adhere to your refrigerator or wherever, file cabinets at work, wherever you decide you want to place these magnets. Nice, quick, simple craft to do. And there we have it, folks. Our 3 Black History Month magnets that we have created today. All right. So do me a favor, if you like what you see, do me a favor and hit that like button down below. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'd love to have you as a follower. But until we meet again, guys, be blessed.